Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the structure of polynucleotide chain. The chemical structure of polynucleotide chain in DNA or RNA. How many types of nucleic acids are present in a living organisms? Two types of nucleic acids. What are they? There one is deoxyribose nucleic acid and second one is the ribonucleic acid. Today we have to know about the chemical structure of polynucleotide chain in nucleic acids. This is a diagrammatic representation of DNA. Two strands are present. They are arranged in helical manner. And this right side diagrammatic representation is the RNA, ribonucleic acid. Okay, here the nucleic acids are consist of polynucleotide chains. Poly means many. Several nucleotides are present in a nucleic acids. These red color spherical shaped structures are represent the nucleotides. Look at here, this one nucleotide, second nucleotide, succeeding nucleotides in a ribonucleic acid. Whereas in DNA strands, the nucleotides. Okay, each nucleotide has three components. How many components are present in each nucleotide? Three. What are they? They are one is nitrogen base, second one pentose sugar, third one is the phosphate group. Nitrogen base. First of all, we have to know about the nitrogen base. The two types of nitrogen bases are present in nucleic acids. This is important. It must be remembered for objective point of view. How many types of nitrogen bases are present? Two types of nitrogen bases. Two kinds of nitrogen bases are present in a nucleic acids. What are they? One is one kind of nitrogen base is purines, and second type of the nitrogen base is pyrimidines. Purines are two. They are one is adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are three. They are one is cytosine, second one uracil, third one is the thymine. Adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine are present in deoxyribonucleic acid. Whereas in ribonucleic acid, adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil are present. What are the differences you are observed in between DNA and RNA regarding the nitrogen bases? Cytosine, adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine are present in DNA, whereas in RNA, adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil are present in RNA. Instead of the thymine, uracil is present in RNA. Okay. What is the second component in nucleotide? Pentose sugar. Pentose sugars are two types. Okay. Ribose sugar is present in RNA. Deoxyribose sugar is present in DNA. Okay, both are pentose, two types of pentose sugars. Here, ribose pentose sugar is present in RNA. Deoxyribose sugar is present in DNA. A nitrogen base is linked to the pentose sugar through a N-glycosidic linkase to form a nucleoside. What is nucleoside? The combination of nitrogen base and sugar is known as a nucleoside. In between the nitrogen base and pentose sugar, which is present N-glycosidic linkase. Nucleosides, adenosine. These are the nucleosides. Adenosine or deoxyadenosine, guanosine or deoxyguanosine, cytidine or deoxycytidine, uridine or deoxydiamidine. So these are nucleosides in nucleic acids. Look at here the adenine structure, chemical structure of adenine. This is sugar, deoxyribose sugar. Deoxyribose sugar is attached to the one of the nitrogen base. This link is known as N-glycosidic link, N-glycosidic linkase. Okay, N-glycosidic linkase is present in between the nitrogen base and sugar. It's important for objective, please remember. When a phosphate group is linked to 5' OH of nucleoside through phosphoester linkase, a corresponding nucleotide is formed. Okay, phosphoester linkase. When a phosphate group is linked to the 5' OH of nucleoside through phosphoester linkase. Look at here this chemical structure of the sugar. This ribose sugar, additional OH group is present at second carbon in ribose, whereas in deoxyribose additional OH is, that's additional O is absent. This is the nitrogen base, thus may be adenine, guanine. Here the nitrogen base is attached to the sugar, through which linkase, phosphoester linkase. So N-glycosidic linkase, N-glycosidic linkase is present in between the nitrogen base and sugar. The sugar is attached to the phosphate with the help of phosphoester linkase. In between nitrogen base and sugar, glycosidic linkase is present. Okay, in between the sugar and phosphate, phosphoester linkase is present. The two nucleotides are linked through 3', 5' phosphodiester linkase. So in between the two nucleotides, which bond is present? Phosphodiester linkase. Whereas at terminal end of the nucleotide chains, phosphoester linkase is present. Okay, phosphoester linkase is present at a terminal region, end of the nucleotide chain, whereas phosphodiester linkase is present in between the two nucleotides, succeeding nucleotides. It must be remember. Look at here this chemical structure of the one nucleotide, nitrogen base sugar, phosphate, one nucleotide, nitrogen base, okay, nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate, another nucleotide. In between the two nucleotides, phosphodiester bond is present. So this circle, blue color circle is represent the phosphodiester bond. So phosphodiester bond is present in between the two nucleotides. It's important for objective point of view. So more nucleotides can be joined in such manner to form polynucleotide chain. A polymer thus formed has at one end of free phosphate moiety at 5' end of ribose sugar, which is referred to as 5' end of polynucleotide chain. Similarly, at the other end of the polymer, the ribose has a free 3' OH group, which is referred to as 3' end of polynucleotide chain. So the backbone in a polynucleotide chain is formed due to sugar and phosphates. It must be remembered for objective point of view. Highlights, and these highlights also important for objective point of view. And this are phosphodiester bond in between the two nucleotides. How many components are present in a polynucleotide chain? 3 components. What are they? Nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate. Among those 3 components, the backbone of polynucleotide chain is formed by sugar and phosphates. So which of the components in nucleotide chain forms the backbone? Sugar and phosphates. In RNA ribonucleic acid, every nucleotide has an additional OH group present at second position in ribose. Additional OH. Look at here. Additional OH. Ribose. Additional OH. Whereas in deoxyribose sugar, absent. O is this is the first carbon and second carbon. So additional OH is present in a ribose sugar, not in a deoxyribose. Okay, in RNA every nucleotide has an additional OH group present at second position in ribose. Also in RNA, the uracil is found at the place of thymine. The 5-methyl uracil, that another name, chemical name for thymine. Okay, 5-methyl uracil. Thymine, this is the another name for thymine. How many types of nitrogen bases are present in nucleic acids? From this concept regarding the NEET related questions. The few questions we will discuss here. How many types of nitrogen bases are present in nucleic acids? This highlighted sentence. 2 types of nitrogen bases are present in nucleic acids. What are the options given? The option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Among these options, which one is the correct answer? Option B. 2 types of nitrogen bases are present. The next question is, which of the following linkage is present in between nitrogen base and sugar? What is the question? Which of the following linkage is present in between nitrogen base and sugar? What are the options given? Option A, phosphoester linkase. Option B, phosphodiester linkase. Option C, N-glycosidic linkase. Option D, none of the above. Okay, in between the nitrogen base and sugar, N-glycosidic linkase is present. See here the highlighted sentence, N-glycosidic linkase in between nitrogen base and sugar. Okay, next question, phosphodiester bond is present in between. What are the options given? The given option A, nitrogen base and sugar. Option B, in between the 2 nucleotides. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Phosphodiester bond is present in between 2 nucleotides. This is one nucleotide, base, sugar, phosphate. Base, okay, sugar, base, sugar and phosphate. In between 2 nucleotides, phosphodiester bond is present. Phosphodiester linkase, phosphodiester bond. 2 nucleotides are linked through 3', 5', phosphodiesterase. Next question, which of the following components are backbone in polynucleotide chain? What are the options? Option A sugar, option B phosphate, option C both A and B, option D nitrogen base. So backbone in a polynucleotide chain. The backbone in a polynucleotide chain is formed due to sugar and phosphate. So what is the answer? Option A sugar, option B phosphate, option C both A and B, option D nitrogen base. Option C is the correct answer. Both A and B.